Have you ever considered who the everyday heroes in your community might be? Often, when we hear the term hero, we think of extraordinary acts performed by extraordinary people. But in reality, everyday heroes are all around us, playing vital roles in our communities by solving problems and creating positive change in ways both big and small. As fathers, we have a unique opportunity to teach our children to be these everyday heroes by engaging with local issues as a family and turning them into exciting problem solving projects. Let's start by defining what we mean by everyday heroes. These individuals are regular people who step up to face challenges and contribute to the well being of their community. Whether it's fixing a broken streetlight, organizing a park cleanup, or coordinating a neighborhood watch, everyday heroes see problems and move towards solving them. They connect with people around them and inspire others through their actions. And these are precisely the kinds of role models we want to be for our kids. So, why should you involve your family in community challenges? Engaging with local issues not only benefits the community, but also brings your family closer together. It provides a shared goal and helps instill a sense of responsibility and empathy in children. Tackling real world problems as a family team prepares your kids to be proactive, compassionate individuals. Now, let's explore some everyday community challenges that can be transformed into family problem solving projects. Start small. Fix broken items together, or clean up a local park. You can organize simple community events like a bake sale to raise money for a local cause. Even family logistics, like devising a system for recycling at home, can be a project to engage in. The key is to focus on manageable tasks that encourage collaboration and critical thinking. Begin by identifying a problem your family is interested in solving. This could be something immediate in your surroundings or a more significant issue impacting your community. Fathers, it's important to be the initiator. Your enthusiasm and commitment will motivate your kids. Explain the problem clearly and brainstorm solutions together. Encourage your children to share their ideas, no matter how outlandish they may seem. Often, out-of-the-box thinking leads to the most creative solutions. Teamwork and critical thinking are vital skills you want your kids to develop. By tackling projects together, you're teaching them how to work collaboratively. Discuss different aspects of the problem, allocate tasks according to each family member's strengths, and celebrate successes as a team. It's also essential to make these projects fun and engaging to maintain your children's interest. Turn the tasks into games or offer small rewards for completing milestones. Keeping the atmosphere lighthearted ensures everyone enjoys the process. As you work on these projects, focus on enhancing communication within your family. Encourage open dialogue and active listening. This not only improves your problem-solving success, but also strengthens your family bond. Acknowledge each member's contribution and ideas. By engaging in projects that require innovation, you're fostering creativity and resourcefulness in your children. These are invaluable life skills that will serve them well in the future. Encourage them to think of alternate solutions and explore various perspectives. Creativity is all about seeing possibilities where others see problems. Let me share a real-life story of a family who took on a community challenge together. They noticed a neglected garden in their neighborhood park and decided to revitalize it. As a family, they researched plants, planned the layout, and regularly tended to the garden. This experience not only beautified a part of their community, but also brought them closer together. The children learned gardening skills, understood the importance of community service, and developed lasting memories with their family. Participating in such projects leaves a long-lasting impact on children's life skills and father-child bonding. They gain a sense of accomplishment, seeing the tangible results of their efforts. Furthermore, these experiences foster independence, resilience, and a can-do attitude. To sum up, initiating family projects centered around community challenges creates meaningful parenting moments. It inspires your children to become resourceful thinkers and nurtures a strong, supportive family dynamic. So the next time you spot an opportunity to pitch in, consider turning it into a family problem-solving adventure. Not only will it strengthen your bond, but it'll also prepare your kids to be the everyday heroes of tomorrow.